Let's learn how to fix error. Something went wrong. Please try again later in Snapchat. First of all, what you have to do is turn off the Wi-Fi and turn to the LTE mode. Then what you can do is go to the settings, scroll down to apps. Here tap on manage apps. Here search for Snapchat. Here turn on or enable the offload mode. After that, tap on this uninstall. And here your Snapchat will be uninstalled and reinstall it from the App Store. I hope these tips will help you to fix the errors in Snapchat. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial.